everybody, we're back again with another video. So as you can probably tell by the title, I have no idea what I've titled this, but I'm about to attempt coloring my hair. Yes, so we have this and this. So I'm gonna use some kind of mixture of those two. I've been watching YouTube all morning and just got the bright idea, let me just go out and get some color and color my hair. I have colored my hair before, not saying it turned out the best. I'll probably insert a picture here, but it did. I mean, it didn't turn out bad, so I feel like my hair is way healthier now, considering the fact that I'm natural now versus when I colored my hair before, it was relaxed. I never go through my hair dry either. So like, it's moisturized, it's not dry in that sense, but it's not wet. Like, I usually have product on my hair and have it moist if I'm gonna go through it, but I don't think I'm supposed to do that when I'm doing a color. So anyway, we'll probably speed through this portion. We're gonna come back when it's complete. Okay, I'm back, y'all. And of course I look crazy, but this is my hair all picked out. I don't know what it looked like in the back, so if it's dirty, don't judge. I feel like it's something didn't get all the way picked out. But yeah, so I'm just probably going to section my hair. Okay, I'm gonna come back when we get ready to put it down, okay? I'll be back. 10 minutes is up. Let me see if there's any change. Now I look like Felicia. First it was Cindy Boo Boo, now it's Felicia. Okay, whatever. Can y'all tell? It's a little bit. It's a little change. So now I'm gonna go through. I guess I should have said this. It'll probably be a talk through, so you already know. But I put it at the end. So now I'm gonna go through and put it on the rest of the ponytails. I'm going for the balayage, whatever kind of look. My tips to be colored, not the rest of my hair. Yeah, I don't want it down to my root. So we'll speed through this part and yeah. And we back. Well, I'm back. Whatever. Me. As you see, it did not get. Let me find the box so I can show you how to color on the box. Didn't get this color. This is my hair free of any products. It doesn't really feel dried out or anything, which is a good thing. And I was not about to put any bleach on there. So I guess this is as light as we can go. It's a realistic color. Clearly not a blonde, but it's something. Now I'm just about to spray my leave-in conditioner, put some oils in there. I've already deep conditioned because I put a toner on here also because it did look too, orangey to me initially. I should have took a picture of it when I first rinsed it out, but I didn't. So. But I put a toner and I put my Shea Moisture, well here. I used this deep conditioner, one of my go-tos, along with some black castor oil and some grapeseed oil. You know, that's my go-to for a good deep condition. And of course, you have to watch one of my older videos, or even, I want to say, watch the video about me doing Libby's hair, if you want to know what's in here. But anyway, comment down below if you like the color. Like I said, it's not, it's nowhere near what the box showed, but it's okay. It's a summer color. It's a little fun. I just wanted a change. I was bored with my hair how it was. So this is something a little bit different. And yeah, thanks so much once again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Wait, it ain't even shake good. Wait.